Zucaritas. They're great. And then Fruit Loops. They don't get their own name.
Hey peeps, today we are talking about shopping.
So we've been staying in an apartment here in Merida, and actually, here it is.
Check it out.
It's pretty sweet. Silas, I thought you were going to put the dishes away.
Oh, so now I'm getting in trouble for doing the dishes. A big bonus to doing a vacation rental over a hostel or a hotel or something is that you can cook. We have a kitchen here, and so we've been making a lot of guacamole and enjoying every second of it.
In order to eat, though, we have to go grocery shopping, which is a little bit different than a normal trip for us back home.
So today we're going to give you our top 5 tips for grocery shopping in another country.
Number 1, be open-minded. Shopping in another country is all about being flexible. Some stores might not have your favorite brands or even the products that you want.
For instance, we've spent at least a good 30 minutes wandering around grocery stores looking for corn tortillas. Guess what? As far as we can tell, they don't exist here. We're too lazy to make them ourselves, so we'll keep paying other people for yummy tacos al pastor.
Sounds good.
Just like Mom used to make.
Number 2, use your eyes. Food is clearly marked pretty much everywhere in the world, but if the local language isn't your skill set, you should make a habit of closely inspecting packages and produce before making a purchase. Some produce might look a little different than you're used to, and that's okay.
Number 3, bring a translation app. I can't recall the number of times Kayla has pulled out her Spanish-English dictionary in a grocery store this week. It's okay to take time and get exactly what you want. For us, we want to make sure we aren't buying foods with gluten or dairy. So we try to be careful and inspect the ingredient list on the packaging.
A long time ago when I was...
Long time ago, I can still remember how that music used to make...
So a long time ago when I was shopping abroad, I accidentally bought garlic butter instead of regular butter at the store. If I had had a translation app with me, I could have looked it up just right there in the store. Instead, I didn't realize it until I was eating my grilled cheese sandwich.
Number 4, watch others for hints. The locals are the best guides on how to navigate a grocery store. Watch them. What are they doing? Are they lining up at the meat counter or just shouting out their order? Are they handing over their shopping carts or loading them on the counters themselves?
I don't know what the dish is that requires this much white chocolate, but I want to have it.
Number 5, ask for help. When all else fails and you're confused, try asking for help. We spent way too long looking for salt the other day. We knew the Spanish word and even found the rest of the spices.
Kayla has found the mother lode.
My favorite aisle so far.
Is this your second favorite aisle then?
This is my first favorite aisle now. But the salt wasn't there. So we asked, and a kind old man pointed to the aisle where the sugar and flour were. Duh, I didn't even think to look there. Thanks to a very nice old man, we found the salt.
Now we can make guacamole. Yum. All the salt. Whatever's happening here.
Grocery shopping in another country is an eye-opening experience. We love walking around the store and exploring just to see what they have, whether it's a familiar item like Coke or an entire aisle of candy that we've never seen before.
Using these tips, you can get the most out of your shopping experience and successfully come home with everything you need to cook dinner.
Good luck!